still alive. There he is. Oh, come on. Whoa, something grabbed me. Yep, damn sure did. I think something just ripped off that big live shrimp I had. Right after I casted this gulp out there. I mean, the gulp was just sitting on the bottom and something grabbed it. Oh, that's a nice trout. Alrighty then. That'll work. Shit, that's the biggest one I've caught today. Oh, looky there, he unhooked himself. That was mighty nice of him. Okay. Oh. All right. Whatever that is, he's got some size to him. Come on. Be something yummy and tasty. Oh. It's a redfish. Come on, get in the net. I doubt he's 17 though. Out there today. We got about 15 or 20 speckled trout. I got 2 reds, but they were too small, so I let them go. All in all, it was a good day. I mean, there was a lot of activity going on out there towards low tide and all. So guys, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I go fishing about once or twice a week. Hopefully I can upload a video once or twice a week. If I don't really catch anything, I just kind of erase everything. I don't see any point in me editing a video where I don't catch any fish. So, yep, like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys around.